back out to Butler, doesn't hesitate, and a good decision by Jimmy Butler, who has 24.
Watch out.
Fight.
Watch out.
Lopez and Ibaka throwing punches.
Oh, yeah. Let me tell you. Yeah, they threw some big ones there. They got to get Ibaka out of here now. I don't know who started it, all right, because you could see we were going the other way. Now, right now, Mirotic is coming down here now. He's got to understand. You got to stay in the game. It happens right here, a little in the back by Ibaka, and Lopez is telling him now. So he takes the ball out of his hand, and that's what starts it. Now, you're going to see as they reach, by grabbing Lopez's side of his neck, Lopez lands a punch, but then Ibaka come back and he lands one. Friday night fights?
Yeah, no. Boy, Ibaka just ducked out of harm's way.
Yeah.
And then countered with that right hand.
Now, see, DeRozan does a great thing here.